What I'm doing now is we are going to run through this. This is one day, and then 1 week here we're up $200 for the week, $500 for the month. You see, you guys look at this, $500 for the month. This is nice, this is nice. With this account I do one. My name is Kaseem. Welcome to the channel. In today's video we are going to talk about my trading. I've been doing some swing trading and I've been doing some day trading. In the next couple of videos, I'm going to update you guys on what my trading setup, my new trading setup is looking like on my computer screen. I'm going to update you guys and show you guys what I'm working with right now, how I'm trading. It's been working for me, and I want to share that with you guys in today's video. So before we get into that, I want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to invest or trade the stocks that I'm about to show you. I'm just showing you to share my financial journey with you guys, because this is what I do on this channel. This is the $1 Million Challenge. I basically share with you my process of how I'm going to get to $1 million in net worth as soon as possible. So don't take this information as investment advice. It's just for information purposes and educational purposes. That's what all my videos are for. So don't take this as investment advice. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to pop into my Robinhood app first. I'm going to start with that. And then after, I'm going to move on to my TD Ameritrade account. If you guys don't know, I did a net worth update. I'm basically going to be doing this roughly every 3 months, kind of update you guys on what my net worth is looking like, since that's what the whole point of this channel is. So I'm going to update you guys on that. And I strictly, basically, when I say net worth, I currently don't add cash to it. I'm just talking about like investment net worth. I'm not adding cash. This is not like my total net worth. I just talk about just the cash part of what I'm doing. I mean, the investment part of what I'm currently up to. So let's get into today's video. Okay. So what we have here, this is my Robinhood portfolio. As you guys can see, we are up $404. It was up higher before, but it dropped $25. Okay. So let's do a quick rundown. This number here on Robinhood, it can not be accurate sometimes when it comes to adding up everything, but let's just run through this. So currently is down $17, but for the day, as you guys see, I did some pretty nice swing trades from last week, and I was able to make some gains this morning. So I sold and I got into some more trades for swing trades for tomorrow. So what I'm doing now is we are going to run through this. This is one day, and then 1 week here we're up $200 for the week, $500 for the month. You see, you guys look at this, $500 for the month. This is nice. This is nice. With this account I do swing trading now. I just recently started doing swing trading. Before, what I was doing is the whale strategy. Okay, so I just recently started swing trading this account. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna run through this. As you guys see, I'm up for the month $500. In the past 3 months, I'm up $700. In the past year, $1,300. Okay, so that is that. Today was a pretty nice day. If we take a look here, you can see the trades that I currently have open. Okay, I have SPY and it's up $66, and I have GME, GameStop, and it's up $35. I believe that trade should probably be higher over time, just because, let me show you guys what the chart is on GME right now. Let me show you guys what the chart is looking like. So this is what my chart is looking like on GME, and it's basically giving me like a nice strong downwards trend signal. Like, this is telling me that the trend is going downwards. So I have some puts trades. I have some puts trade on GME right now, as you guys can see. So you see it's up $5 now. I believe that will probably be maybe $100 or $150, and I'll sell it and get out of the trade. Let me also pull up SPY here for you guys so you can see really quickly. So this is SPY as well. So we've been on a downwards trend since since last week. Okay, so it looks like it's going downwards, and which I have some bets as well that it's gonna go down some more. So we'll see what happened basically. So we'll see what will happen for tomorrow really, because this is swing trading. So I have SPY and I have GME, and right now is up roughly $100 right now. So it's not doing too bad. I'm gonna keep on doing what I do with this account and trying to grow it every month, trying to use it to make some money. This month is $500, and that is nice. But as of today, this is what I'm counting as my income so far on this video. So we have $420 at the moment. And then what we're gonna do is pop right into my day trading account and show you what my income is for that for the day. So hopping right into the day trading account, this was quite a hustle today to make some money in the market. It was quite a hustle, and like I was able to come out ahead, which is good. I made $118. It's nice. Plus the other amount of money that I made, so it's roughly like $500, which is nice. I'll do the tally it up and put it right here. But it's nice, and yeah, this is pretty much it. And what I will do now is I will start doing these updates, ever so often, maybe once or twice a week. I'll start doing these updates, sharing with you guys how I'm doing on the journey to that $1 million. So yeah, this is the update for the time being. So yeah, this is a Robinhood again. You guys can see that the trade is going according to how I plan it. Okay, this is $48 in GME and SPY 73. So that's good. That's how I make money. I try to make a few dollars here and there, and over time that adds up to a lot of dollars. So yeah, so that will be it for this video. So in this video, we made roughly about $500 in this video. I do different things. How I made this money is basically I did some swing trades. You know what? Let me show you guys those swing trades. I did some swing trades with Apple.
Okay, let me show you guys here.
So as you guys see here with Apple here, if you look at the very bottom, you see negative $295. Okay, and then you see the second one right above it, it's negative $285. So I bought two different contracts. I bought it for $285 and $295, and I was able to sell it. If you guys look at the dates, you see the dates right under it. I was able to sell each of them for $420 each. So that was a really nice swing. And the way that I was able to figure that is going to happen is by looking at the charts here. Okay, I looked at the chart and I was able to just chart it and see where the market is going potentially. All right, so I noticed here that it always, when it gets to this price, okay, Apple usually would bounce. And then so what I did was I just basically just waited until the stock falls below this price where it usually goes up from. So when it falls below it, it usually would mean that most likely it's gonna go down in the future, because every time you touch it, it usually go up, and then it will fall down again, and then trying to touch it, and then it fell down again. So around here, that's when I placed those trades. Okay, that's when I placed those trades here that we're looking like. That's where I did this two. I put those two in around this area here, and I was able to just take this trade all the way down this morning that I'm recording this video, and I was able to sell it around this area, and that's what I did to get this, to be able to sell it for $420. Okay, that is what I did for Apple. So the same thing here with AMC. You guys see right at the bottom there, AMC negative $106. So the same thing with that. I bought that options. Okay. Same thing happened. I mean, I didn't put any line here, but let me show you guys what I did here. So what I did here was to just watch it again. Okay. It dropped down, then went up, okay, then came down. So towards the end of the day was when I bought it. Okay, we can go back and look at the time here. Okay, so let's see. This was purchased around 12. There you go. So around 12 is when I bought it. If you look at the timestamp at the bottom, around 1:12. So I bought it around here. Okay, and I was able to sell it this morning at this point. So that was too early. If I had waited, I would have been able to sell it for more, but it was nice, you know, getting some quick bucks there. And that was roughly about $20 for that trade. It was $106, and I was able to sell it. You see it right at the top. Right at the top here, I was able to sell it for $122. So it was a quick scalp there. It was nice. Okay, so you guys said the trade here. Another trade that I did was, this is another one here. AMC 41 puts for 100 right here for $171. And then I was able to sell it right up here for $200. So those swing trades are they've actually been really, really good to me lately. And I'm going to be doing them basically in conjunction with the charts. I will look at the charts, chart them out, see what the possibility of it going up or down is, and then I take small trades based on that. So if I see that, okay, I think the stock is going to go down, maybe I'll put like $50 in it. I'll put $150 in it. You know, if it does go down, you know, and I'm able to make like $30, $40, you know, that's nice. You know, I'll take it. You know, so that is what I've been doing, and yeah, it's been paying off so far. You know, even as we're talking right now, I'm making money on those trades that I just showed you guys. You know, those trades are up now $123.85. So that is what I'm doing with this. This is the Robinhood account here. The Robinhood account here, this is my whale strategy account and my swing trade account. And this TD Ameritrade account here, this is my day trading account. This is more of my opportunistic quick trade account. Like if I'm watching a stock, for example, right here, this is when I'm doing swing trading, I usually use the 30 minutes chart. Okay, I use the 30 minutes chart when I'm swing trading. But when I'm looking to day trade, I usually would keep my eye on the 3 minutes charts, the 5 minutes chart, and then the 15-minute chart. Okay, so situation like this, what I usually would do is just kind of watch and see what would happen. Now, I mean, during the day here, you would see, okay, this is more of a downtrend. So wait till stuff like this happen. I know if you guys are new, you probably don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm going to chart it out for you. So usually, sometimes I don't chart it out because I can just see it. But usually stuff like this, let's say it drops down for the day and you just wait and see what happened. So right in here, you're able to take a trade here and wait for it to happen. Looking at a bunch of things, you know, the RSI, it's down. So it's indicating that it's not a good time to buy, but you can tell based on the super trend and all the moving average, and most likely this is going down for the day. So that is that. But you know what? This is not a trading video, okay? I'm gonna do a specific video to show you guys my complete setup. Like I said earlier on, I'm probably gonna record that right after this. But this is not a trading setup video. It's just a quick video on how much money I've made so far that I've been doing swing trading recently. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video here so you guys can see, even as we're talking and looking at this video, the trade is going well. 138, 135. So we're looking good. So far, ending the video, we are up $589. So it's looking well, it's looking well. Thank you very much for checking out today's video. I really do appreciate you for taking your time out to check it out. I hope you've learned something. Take the time to look around my channel, look around to see what I'm about. I do dividend investing, I day trade, I swing trade. I do anything that I need to do in order for me to make money in the stock market the legal way.
I make money the legal way.
So if you like what I do, consider subscribing. I would appreciate it. I'm still a relatively small channel that I'm trying to grow. So I would appreciate it if you can subscribe and, watch the content. You never know, you pick up a thing or two and you could potentially, pick up a thing or two. That's all I can say. Anyways, until next time, see you later. Love you all. Bye.